gentlemen, we have a very special guest with us today. His name is Abijith Naidu, and he has recently completed the Silver Membership and the Ultimate Health Challenge. So let's get to him and know, how has been his journey. So over to you, Abijith. कैसी आपकी
Hi,
journey
sir.
है? Hi,
Hi, good afternoon. This is Abijith from Hyderabad, sir.
hi, Abijith.
I've joined your thing from July, in the month of July,
Hey.
and I'm suffering from pulmonary hypertension with VSD, a hole in the heart.
Mhm.
So I had many problems before that. After joining your course, now recently a week ago, I had been to Tirupati. With I was not even able to climb 2 floors, 3 floors. With the help of your challenge, whatever things you have taught me, I could climb the steps of Tirumala of 4,000 steps in 4 hours. Yeah, the things which was told by you, like power breathing techniques and what you say, how to bath, shower technique, no MRP, those things what I followed, whatever you said was really working out really well, sir. I was diagnosed with what you say, diabetes. That's gone. That's come to neutral. It's all working really fine with me, and I'm really happy. I pray God that you will be showered with lot of love towards you, sir. You
Thank you
helped me
so
a
much.
lot. Yeah,
Thank you so much, Abijith. Thank you.
yeah.
Amazing. So
And
you're, yeah.
and I'm also having words with all people who are suffering like me around me, and I'm helping them.
Beautiful. Your city is Abhijit? Your city
I'm
is?
from Hyderabad. I'm from
Hyderabad. Sorry. Yes, you mentioned. Yeah. Amazing. More power to you. I can just visualize when you were climbing those stairs.
Yeah.
So I believe that blessings was also coming towards Go Nature and me also. So that is what we earn. तो भगवान जी बहुत खुश होंगे जब आप सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहे
I
थे.
literally thought of you every 500 steps, sir.
अरे गजब भैया. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Because
धन्यवाद.
in the starting, I recorded few videos and shared to friends too. That if something happens to me, take care of my kids and family.
नहीं
And
नहीं. You
later, after
very nice.
completing it, I was really thankful for you.
Beautiful, beautiful. You just made me so emotional, Abhijit. Thank you so much. Everybody, just type MPTY for Abhijit. Beautiful journey.